What's up guys, this is Ronnie. Welcome back to our channel Total Technology. This is tutorial 112 and today's topic will be how to implement persistent message storage using Redis and LangChain. Okay, so in the last tutorial we have seen how to store your message history or chat history with the help of LangChain, right? So in the last tutorial we have created kind of a volatile in memory message storage. Means if you shut down your VS Code, or if you delete your not delete, if you just close your VS Code or terminal or Jupyter notebook or whatever, the storage will gone, right? But here I'll be just going to create a persistent message storage. Yeah, obviously it is going to be a in-memory message storage, and we'll be going to store it into a Redis is actually open source, fastly super fast, like in-memory message storage. You can think of it, right? So it is available freely, so that is why you are using, and many of the startups and small and mid-sized companies are using Redis for memory management. Okay, so without doing further delay, let's start working on the tutorial. So this tutorial is actually not only LangChain. In this tutorial I'll be just going to give you guys a kind of hands-on, so that you will understand how to actually implement your Redis storage. Okay, so couple of things. Yeah, so first you have to actually install the Redis. Okay, that I have already done, and after that you have to install this thing, uh, install Redis server, and Redis server you have to install from this link. That also have completed, and after that you have to start your Redis server also I'll show you how to start and connect with the CLI and how to store messages from the LangChain. So installation part is over. I'll be just going to show you guys these three things, and after that, once you store the message, we'll be going to actually check whether it is really storing the message, and how to check it from your programming console, I mean from the VS Code, or how to actually access it from a external medium. Okay, so let's start working on that. But before I start the actual tutorial, a couple of things I would like to raise. So if you're watching this video for the first time, or if you watching or if you came to the channel for the first time, thank you very much for watching my videos. But please try to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, share my videos with your family and friend, whoever you think is going to get some benefit out of it, because I would like to get new audiences, new viewers, and also same time I would love to actually grow my YouTube subscriber count, right? So guys, please help me to grow my audience base, because if you guys don't subscribe, my subscriber count will not increase, and until and unless I don't grow in terms of subscriber count, my YouTube algorithm will not push my videos to the large number of audience. So I love to grow, so please help me to achieve my goal. I need your support. Please help me guys, and I'm promising that I will always come back with nice and quality content. Okay, so enough of self marketing and talking, let's start working on the actual part. So the first part is actually how to check your Redis server is running or not. Okay, so first you have to go to CMD, and there you have to write Redis CLI -v 6379. So basically I'm saying that in this port my Redis server is connected. So uh, this, so let's see. So it is saying that no connection found. So what you have to do, you have to go to your Redis installation directory. So basically it will be in your C drive program files, and here you can see Redis. This is your directory. So basically you have to run redis servers.exe, this one. Okay, so basically you have to write cmd, and then you have to write redis server exe. Okay, so if you hit this thing, this is showing something like this. You have to just minimize this thing now. Okay, now what will happen, now I have to close this terminal again and again. You have to open one more thing. Okay, so redis CLI. Okay, so okay, so yeah, there is no error, means it's connected. Okay, and now to check whether I have anything or not. So basically I have couple of queries or commands are written here. This is actually to connecting, and this is to actually check how many keys are there. Okay, so I just want to show you that I have nothing at this moment. Okay, so nothing, empty list or set. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll just keep it minimized, and now what we'll do, we'll be just going to start working on the LangChain part. So basically this part is not done, so this up to this point everything is over. Okay, installation you can do it. This Redis server installation also you can do it. I show you how to start the Redis server. I show you just now how to connect to the CLI, and now I'll be going to show you the main part, how to actually use it from the LangChain. Okay, so let's go here. Okay, 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 right, okay, 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 okay. So now what we'll do, we'll be just going to actually start working on the code. I don't know what is this. Okay, so from LangChain. Okay, so chat message histories, import Redis chat message history. That's it, right? So you'll be going to use this. Okay, done, right? Now what we'll do, I'll be just going to do the main part. So what I'll do, I'll just going to create a variable called history, and this history will be going to initiate Redis message chat history, right? And we'll be going to create, let's say, a variable called session ID. Let's say session ID is actually user1. Okay, and this is going to be stored in URL. Okay, and there what I'll do, I'll be just going to store Redis. Okay, Redis like this, and then localhost, because my Redis is running on this localhost 6379, right? I believe everything is done. Let's initialize this thing. This is initialized, right? So now what I'll do, I'll be just going to actually write messages. Okay, history dot add what is that, add user message. Okay, so there I'll be just going to write a add user message. Hello, I am Ronnie. Okay, and then next line I'll be just going to add history dot add AI message. Okay, and there I'll be just going to write hi Ronnie, how are you? Okay, okay, done. And then history dot messages. Okay, so basically what will happen, this is going to show me this thing. See, these two things are available here. So this is actually available in the persistent storage. Okay, so now what I'll do, let me check this thing from here. Okay, okay, so the same command keys, see, it is giving me message store user1, right? Now for user1, what is actually stored, that I want to actually see. Okay, so how to actually see that? For that we have a command written here. So basically it is actually list type of thing, so you have to actually lr range, then key name, and this thing. So basically I'll show you how to do this thing. Okay, so this, our key is actually, have to change this key is actually this one. This entire thing is actually my key. Okay, and 01 means starting from beginning index to last index, and if I hit enter, so this is actually telling you this thing, type AI data content, hi Ronnie, how are you? That is the AI message. So too many things are there, and this is the human message content, hello, I am Ronnie. Okay, right. Now what I'll do, I'll just try to increase this thing. Okay, let's come back here and let's add couple of more thing here. Okay, so what I'll do, okay, How are you? uh, I'm good. Okay, so let me show it here again. So this is done. Now if I execute this thing here, yeah, these things are coming here as well. And from this external thing I also want to show you from the CLI. So see, okay, things are here, right now we want to actually do it for another user. Okay, so for another user, how would you like to do it? Okay, so basically let's do it for user 2. Okay, same thing. Okay, so let's reinitialize the variable and I can make it Bob. I can, how are you Bob? Okay, 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 done. Okay, now let's see. Now actually we'll be going to have for information for Ronnie and Bob, both user 1 and user 2 both will be coming here, right? So right now if you see here, let me show you how many keys are there. See, I have 2 keys now, right? For now, for this key also you'll be able to see this thing. So let's copy this thing. Okay, so this is how we can easily maintain the session conversation history with respect to user lr l range. Okay, like this. Okay, 0 minus 1. Okay, fine. So I hope you guys understood the context actually. So how to use Redis, and after that actually how to access Redis. So basically see, uh, suppose you are an AI engineer, your job is to actually publish, your job is actually to do some sort of like AI driven application context building thing. And after that you have to actually store, send this message to the Redis queue. That is done, your part is over here, right? Okay, so now whoever is actually responsible for a downstream application, they will be actually going to access this Redis queue like this. Here I'm actually showing you guys a very basic implementation of accessing the Redis queue without your programming context. So basically this is my programming context, this notebook. If I ask someone else to access the Redis queue, how he or she is going to access it? So he or she can easily access it from the CLI. Yeah, and obviously there are other things are available, like Python modules are there. I install pip3 install Redis, so you can actually check in the Google. You will be able to see all the messages, like what are the messages are available in the Redis, how to do using Python. Those sort of things are also available. Okay, but my ultimate objective is to give you guys a kind of understanding or intuition development, that how you are going to store your messages inside your Redis queue in a persistent way, so that if this notebook is actually closed, still it is actually going to hold the information, right? So that is the ultimate objective. In the last class, what we did, we created the in-memory message stored, but that is not persistent, that is volatile. It means the moment I close this window, this variable will actually will lose the context, or the memory will be lost. But here everything is actually getting stored here in this Redis, so no one is actually going to no one means no information will be lost, right? So that is the objective, and actually with the help of this key context you can easily maintain the session or conversation history for each user, right? So that is how in large scale application things are getting handled. Okay, and even these things can be handled in a data wise manner, and you can actually maintain things in a different way, like you can store this Redis queue, and after that last 5 messages can be uh, actually deleted, and the remaining will be stored again. Okay, so all those things can be taken care with the help of this Redis chat message history and the Redis server, right? Yeah, and one more thing I would like to highlight, this is not the only way of doing it. You can do it using MongoDB, you can do it AWS DynamoDB, you can do it using local file storage system, AWS S3 bucket, you can do it using Elasticsearch. So many different things are there, but Redis is actually very kind of a free open source, and it is very fast, and it is easy to install and implement and access. Okay, so that is the thing. But here I haven't done the actual AI kind of a thing, like where user is asking something, AI is actually generating some answer, and then answer is actually getting stored somewhere. That part I haven't done it here. So for that part, I'll be just going to do it in the next tutorial, because in this tutorial I thought of taking more time for the Redis kind of a thing, because if I do Redis and LangChain together, that will be a little bit complicated and video length will be increased. So this part I believe I clear all the concept of Redis, how to access, how to install, how to start, how to connect. So in the next tutorial, I'll be directly jump on to the notebook and I'll actually show you guys how to use Redis. Okay, so that's it. I would like to conclude the video over here, but before I close the tutorial, again same thing I want to repeat. Guys, please try to subscribe to my channel. If you are watching my channel for the first time, then please go to my channel playlist section and search for LangChain and Llama Index playlist. LangChain playlist, if you see here, it is 112 videos. Before that, we almost more than 100 videos are there, 111 videos are there, and for Llama Index I have already published 25 videos. So those videos are very useful. If you are beginner or if you advanced, it doesn't matter. If you start watching those series, you will gain a lot of knowledge, and if your plan is to do something in the field of artificial intelligence or LLM, then probably this is the right platform and track. You can start gaining knowledge. Okay, so please help me guys by your subscriber count, because one click is does not going to harm you, but your one click subscription is going to help me a lot. Please help me guys, I'd love to grow, and that will help me a lot of motivation as well. Okay, so that's it, enough of talking. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care, goodbye, have a nice day, and happy learning.